Welcome to my video. I am experienced online mathematics and physics tutor. In this video, we will cover the topic of rotation of 90-degree, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise. First of all, see this question. The question is given. Our center is here. Okay, this is the center point, 0 or 1. Okay, and according to center, we will draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, this is our center. According to center, we will see the coordinates of the point. Okay, see, this is, I will suppose this is a point, this is b point, c point, d point, e point and f point. Okay, so you should see that according to new center, they are in fourth quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant. Okay, this is fourth. Our figure is in fourth quadrant. Okay, so we will see what are the coordinates of A. You should see according to new x-axis and y-axis, this is -1, this is -1, and this is same 2, and this is 4. Okay, what are the coordinates of A are 2, -1. Okay, what are the coordinates of B? You should see B here is 3 and here is -1, 3 and -1. C coordinates are 2 and here is -1, here is -2 and here is -3. Okay, so -3. C coordinates are +2, -3. Now we see D coordinates. You can see that here is 5. Okay, 5 -2, 5 -2, and E and F. E coordinates are 5 -2, D coordinates are 5 -3. Okay, and E coordinates are 5 -2. Okay, and what are F coordinates? F is here is 3 -2. Okay, so you should understand that I'm using a highlighter, and you should understand first A part. In A part, we are seeing anti-clockwise 90-degree. When the figure is moving in anti-clockwise, it will move from fourth quadrant to first quadrant. Okay, so when we are in B part, we need to move 90-degree clockwise, and when we are moving clockwise, it will move from fourth quadrant to third quadrant. Okay, so now we will see the coordinates of figure in first quadrant and coordinates of figure in fourth quadrant. For A part, we will write A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime, and F prime. Okay, so you should understand that when when we are doing rotation of 90-degree, first hint is you should change x into y and y into x. Okay, I am changing x into y and y into x. I am not writing any sign. 1, 2, I am changing 1 here and 2 here, x into y and y into, and b prime it will become 1 and 3, and 2 minus 3 it will become 3, 2, okay, and d coordinates it will become 3 comma 5, x into y, y into x, and 2 here y is 2, in e it will become 2 comma 5, and f it will become 2 comma 3, okay. Now understand. So when we are doing anti-clockwise 90-degree rotation, our figure is in first quadrant. So in first quadrant, x is positive and y is positive. So we will write positive sign. X has positive, y has positive. X has positive, y has positive. Okay. Now we draw this figure. I will use different color for this figure. Okay. So I am drawing a prime. A prime is 1 comma 2. This is a prime 1 comma 2. B prime is 1 comma 3. Okay. 1 comma 3. This is B prime. A prime, B prime. C prime is 3 comma 2. Wait, I am writing the coordinates. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for first quadrant, I am writing the coordinates 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now first I have written the coordinates. Now I am drawing the picture. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. This is A prime, and B prime is 1 comma 3. This is B prime, and C prime is 3 comma 2. Here is C prime, and D prime is 3 comma 5. This is D prime, and where is E prime is 2 comma 5. It is E prime. The F prime is 2 comma 3. This is F prime. Okay. Now we will join these points A to B. We are joining C to D, D to E, E to F, and F and F to B. This is our new shape. Okay. Okay. We have completed A part. Now we are completing B part. Okay. B part is also same, and I'm writing B part. See, for B part we will also follow the same steps: A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime, F prime. Okay. We will change x into y, y into x. We will not write sign. Okay. And we will write sign according to quadrant. Our quadrant is third quadrant. Okay. So I will change 2 and minus 1. I will write 1 comma 2. Okay. And B prime, it is 3 comma minus 1. I will write 1 comma 3. I am changing x into y and y into x. Okay. And when I will complete this, then I will write the sign, correct sign. A sign will be according to quadrant. Okay. See, I am changing x into y, y into x. Okay. F is minus 3 comma minus 2. I am writing 2 comma 3. Okay. So these are the quadrants, but in third quadrant, you already know x is negative. It is negative and y is positive. Okay. Y is also negative. So I will write x negative and y negative. Negative here, x is negative, y is negative. Okay, both are negative, so I will write negative sign. So I will draw these points with a different color. I am choosing different color C. So I am writing the values. It is -1, -2, -3. So I am choosing black color. Okay, it is good. -2, 3, -4, -5. I suppose this is -6. Okay. So here is -1, so -3, -1, -2, -3, 4, -5. Okay, so it is -6. First quadrant is -1, -2, -1, -2. This is a point. Okay, this is A prime, and B prime is -1, -3, -1, -3. This is our B prime. Okay, B prime is this point. C prime is -3, -2, -3 and -2. This is C prime, and D prime is -3, -5, -3, -5. This is D prime. E prime is -2, -5, -2. This is E prime. F prime is -2, -3. It is F prime. Okay. So I will join A to B. First step, I will join A to B, then B to C. I am joining A to B. In real shape, we are joining A to C. So I will join A to C according to shape. A is joined with C. C is joined with D. C. I am joining C with D, and D is joined with E. Okay. E is joined with F. F is joined with B. This is our new shape. Okay. Now see the final answer. This figure is anti-clockwise 90-degree rotation, and this figure is rotation of 90-degree. Okay, I hope and the concept is clear, and I revised it again. If you are rotating 90-degree, if we are doing 90-degree clockwise rotation, we will change x into y and y into x. Okay, and after this we will write the sign of new shape according to quadrant. If there is first quadrant, x is positive, y is positive, we will write positive sign with both x and y. If our new coordinates are in second quadrant, okay, we will write x negative, sign of x will be negative, and y coordinate sign will be positive. Okay, so if you are rotating the figure, and if your figure is in third quadrant, So you should write you should change x into y into x. Okay, so in and after this you should write the sign. X has negative sign, x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is negative. Okay, when you are rotating and your figure is in fourth quadrant. Okay, so in fourth quadrant we already know that x is positive, y is negative, so we will write positive sign with x coordinate and negative sign with y coordinate. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear. If there is any confusion, you can comment on my video. I will reply. Thanks for watching my video.